In this quick guide, I'll show how to reset the oil service light on a BMW E60. After changing the engine oil, you need to reset the service indicator on the dashboard. Here's how to do it step by step. Step 1. Insert the key and press the start button once, but do not start the engine. Wait until all the warning lights appear on the instrument cluster. Step 2. Press and hold the trip odometer button on the dashboard for a few seconds, until the service menu appears. Step 3. Use the same button to scroll through the menu until you find the oil service icon. Step 4. When you see it, press and hold the button again for about 5 seconds, until Reset appears on the screen. Step 5. Release the button, then press and hold it once more to confirm the reset. And that's it, the oil service reminder is now cleared. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick car repair guides.